In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily deposit money on BingX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BingX, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $5,000 in bonuses. To create an account, simply enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And first, of course, I want to show you how you can easily deposit money. First, I'm going to show you how you can deposit crypto. Simply go up here to your assets and click on deposit. Then you need to choose a coin, a network, and then you will get your address. So you simply can send this crypto over this network to this address, and then you will have it right here on your account. Of course, this works the same for any other cryptocurrency as well. If you don't want to deposit with crypto, you can also deposit with fiat. Simply click on here, type in the amount right here, and select your fiat currency. Then click on here and choose SEPA transfer. You can see it has no fees and it only takes 1 to 2 days. Click on confirm, agree to the terms, and then you can click on continue, and you will be presented with the bank details you need for the bank transfer, which consists of a recipient name, an IBAN, or also called bank number, and a reference code. So you need to include all of these in your bank transfer and therefore deposit money here to the platform. The other option is to use your debit or credit card. To do that, you simply go up here to buy crypto and then click on quick buy. Choose your fiat currency and type in the amount again. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive on the platform, because in this method you cannot hold euro in here. Instead, you are simply just buying a cryptocurrency and then you can hold that on here. Then just click on buy. You can see these different payment providers right here. In this case, I'm just going to choose the first one. If you click on add card, you can enter all of your card details, agree to the terms, and complete the purchase right here. And in here, you will immediately receive the money on your account. Once you've made a deposit, you can always check if the money has arrived by going up here to your assets and then click on fund account. And here you can check if any crypto or fiat has arrived on your account. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible on here with up to $5,000 in rewards. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.